3, 2, 1, start. Tiffin service, also known as Dabba service, is a popular food delivery system in many parts of the world, especially in urban areas. The concept of tiffin service is simple. A person orders a meal from a tiffin service provider and the provider delivers it to their doorstep. The service is designed to cater to the needs of people who are busy with their work and do not have the time or energy to cook meals for themselves. In this essay, I will discuss the benefits of tiffin service and its impact on people's lives in detail. Tiffin service is a convenient way to get healthy and hygienic food delivered to your doorstep. The service providers offer a wide range of options to choose from, including vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes, and you can also customize your meal plan according to your dietary requirements. This flexibility allows you to enjoy nutritious meals that are specifically designed to meet your needs. The convenience of tiffin service is one of its biggest advantages. With the fast paced lives that people lead these days, it can be challenging to find the time and energy to cook meals for oneself. Ordering from a tiffin service provider frees up time and energy which can be spent on other important activities such as work, studying, or spending time with family. Another benefit of tiffin service is that it is an affordable option for people who want to eat healthy food but do not want to spend a lot of money. The cost of tiffin service is usually much lower than eating out or ordering food from a restaurant. The reason for this is that tiffin service providers prepare food in bulk and deliver it to multiple customers at once. This reduces the cost of preparation and delivery, making it an economical option for customers. Tiffin service providers are also able to offer meals at a lower cost because they do not have to invest in expensive infrastructure or equipment. They can operate from a small kitchen or a home kitchen with a few staff members who prepare the meals and deliver them to the customers. This keeps the overheads low, allowing tiffin service providers to offer meals at a competitive price. Apart from being a convenient and affordable option, tiffin service is also a great way to get access to healthy and hygienic food. With tiffin service, you can be assured of the quality of the food as the service providers take great care in selecting the ingredients and preparing the meals. They use fresh and locally sourced ingredients which are free from harmful chemicals and preservatives. Hygiene is also a top priority for tiffin service providers. They use clean and sanitized utensils and cookware and maintain a high standard of cleanliness in their kitchen. This ensures that the food is free from contaminants and safe to consume. Tiffin service providers also offer a variety of options to choose from, which allows customers to try out new dishes and experiment with different cuisines. This is particularly beneficial for people who are health conscious and are looking for new and interesting ways to eat healthy. In addition to providing healthy and hygienic food, tiffin service also has a positive impact on the environment. Many tiffin service providers are small businesses that source their ingredients from local suppliers. By using local ingredients, they support the local economy and reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, tiffin service providers often use reusable containers for delivery, which reduces the amount of waste generated from food packaging. Another way in which tiffin service is eco-friendly is by reducing food waste. Since tiffin service providers prepare food in bulk, they can ensure that there is minimal wastage of food. Additionally, customers can choose the quantity of food they want to order, which means that they do not have to order more than they can consume. Stop.